Good evening, guys. Here we are again for another trading day. So yeah, let's switch over to the charts, see what we've got. Let's first look at the daily. Okay, daily is looking very good. We have a nice green candle daily here, so I'm thinking all-time highs again, eh? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be trading off. So actually, the 1 hour. Okay, so they're gonna try to close it up here again. Nice. Also 15-minute. Okay, there we go. We found our zone. That is, yeah, that's where our main zone to trade off. Okay, you were supposed to be logged in already. So yeah, a 5-minute. The optimal one is to wait for the breakout if you want to be super sure. But you could go if they start rejecting off of this one, you could go long there. So it's for personal preferences. Just assume your risk. And my issue is here, if I wait for a breakout here, I have to have a very high stop. So if I get any confirmation soon for an earlier breakout, I'm gonna, like, any confirmations for sooner, I'm gonna take that trade. But yeah, before you see anything here, don't just go long now because we're looking for longs. No, just stay patient. A lot of patience. We need a lot of patience today, because this market is honestly nasty. This 5 minutes just open and it honestly can go all the way down here, to be honest. Because on 5 minutes, let's go to say 15-minute, we have big consolidation here. And as soon as they start to buy it up, this one all of a sudden is gonna close up here, then I might go long, but it's a little. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully it starts to look better soon. I'm most certain we're gonna go up, but there's the high possibility that they can also sell that off. It doesn't mean it's gonna break out now. If I go long and all of a sudden just it doesn't break out, whatever, it stops me out, it is what it is. Yeah, let's see. Okay, I had the mic off, my bad. Yeah, I don't really look at ES a lot, but today I kind of want to because we're not in the best spot here, and ES is dumping. Let's see if Nasdaq's gonna fall. I hope they don't break this here, because to be honest, I mean, it's not a bad short. It is, you kind of, a retrace would not be, like, if we have a retrace here, it's not the end of the world. It's not bad actually. So you could trade that retrace on a higher time frame actually, especially if they break it out to the bottom. If the ES is gonna break this bottom here and close below there, like, and stay below there, who knows, we might actually go short then. But for now, we're gonna wait for more first. Well, let's see. Hopefully, they either sell it off or buy it up. Hopefully, I don't really care if they buy it up or sell it off. I'm hoping I can be on the right side of the trade. Okay. What's the market gonna do today? Okay. We're at the bottom. I mean, actually, market is not that, like, you want 30 points. It's here. Actually, it's not today a bad, like, not a bad stop you can have today. You have, like, quite some breathing room. So yeah, before we enter on the short, like, my target is 60 points. And yeah, if we get an entry there, 60 points, that is all the way down to 475. And if you look at the 50-minute, you don't wanna. Yeah, it might get there, but it's a long ways to go for the market to sell off that much. MNQ, I'm MNQ U6. That is the one for July, I believe. MNQU. So yeah, MNQ U6, that's what I am on. Yeah, we switched over. What was it? It's a week or two already that I've been on trading on this day's contract. So, what a, yeah, shitty market. Today it's gonna be hard to stay patient. Okay, so now all of a sudden we're gonna start buying it up or what? It's the worst time to buy this up. I don't know, I don't like it if all of a sudden end of the 5 minute we start buying it up. I prefer in the middle or yeah, last 2-3 minutes, so that 5 minute closes up here, not the next one is up here, because then all of a sudden they buy it up here and then just boom, sell it off. So yeah, I mean, it's a decent retrace you have here, but yeah, I need a little more for now. Yeah, and it's most likely gonna happen, they're gonna buy it up. Yeah, just like I said, now they're buying it up. Dude, how tempting is this? And I actually might go along here. I'm gonna try this. I can have a bigger stop today, which I'm fine with. 30 point, so we stop this here. Ooh, that's actually closer than I wanted it to be. Let's see if today's gonna eat me up.
Order submitted.
$70.1, and then I'm gonna go to here the rest. Only some there, so. But yeah, let's see if this is gonna work out.
Order submitted.
Let's see if today's gonna be a red day. I have the last 2 weeks, I haven't lost a single trade, but I've only traded 6-7 times. Every single day has been a green day. Like if you look at this here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and yesterday 7. I say it's actually one of the biggest days. No, but yeah, I haven't had a losing day in a long time. This month actually only one losing day so far. Let's hope we can keep it that way. I mean, it won't surprise me if I'm gonna have a losing day soon. But this month only, I didn't know there was only one losing day this month so far. But yeah, hopefully we can hit our take profit today. Let's look at ES here. Yeah, ES is looking very good. They all the way to the bottom, they bought it up right away, so that's pretty good. And also on the 50-minute, it's not looking bad, honestly. Not trying to confirm me that I went long, but I don't think it's a bad trade, honestly. I mean, you could have waited for this 5 minute to close, actually. I would not have. That's not a bad idea. Because now we're just consolidating there. If you look at the 1 minute, it's just consolidating there, which is not bad. Consolidations, I used to hate consolidations. Consolidations are not bad. Usually if you at least give a consolidation and they break out at some point. And hopefully you don't break out to the bottom. 1 minute consolidation is not that important, but actually if you look at it, usually if it's gonna try to break a high, it's usually gonna consolidate there for a little bit and then break out, and then usually you have a big run. Quite of a run, but yeah, might not be the case today. Okay, that's looking good. That's looking very good. Okay, now it's looking bad again. Eh, just kidding. Okay, that is not that. That is actually not good. Holy crap. And let's see. Yes, is gonna be at the bottom most likely. Still not. While we're waiting for this 5-minute close, might actually have saved some money here. Yep, and they're gonna come for my stop. Here we go. Let's get ready for that sound. Stop hit. Okay, and it's getting close to my stop. There you go. Unfortunately, today was a losing day. $317, so it is what it is. Once I saw this 1 minute here, once I saw this here, I was like, hey, it's gonna stop here. I still believe we're gonna buy it up. Might have had an early entry or waited for the breakout, but I just don't regret this one. Sometimes it's just not, yeah. Because I still believe we're gonna break out to the top. I mean, if we don't, it's not guaranteed. If we don't, there, yeah, you have some playroom here for sell-offs, but I don't believe in that. I don't think we're gonna have that, so. Don't tell me that they're gonna buy it out now. Whatever, if they want to do it, go ahead. Let's look a little bit and see what they're gonna do. This is just great. Oh my god. Somebody stay in this trade. Please tell me somebody did not get stopped out here. Oh my gosh. 70 was my first target. I wanna go. Did you get stopped out or you still have this trade open? So I would like to go long now, but it ain't gonna happen. I had my stop loss for today. Kind of bullshit, eh? Whatever. Didn't hit their first target, so why say a lot of stuff? Might just turn around here, but I won't surprise me if it's gonna hit or take first. At least our first take profit. Maybe not not the full point, but just look at. This is great. This is frustrating, to be honest. So yeah, one trade would one contract out, and rest break even. We'd have $400 more on my account. Yeah, you could say, why didn't we wait for this 5 minute to close? But who would have? Yeah, there's nothing if or what. It's just. So let's see if it's gonna hit our 100, like our full take profit, like 60 point. That's gonna literally piss me off. It's gonna do that. Because usually if I take a trade, it's gonna play around for 10 hours almost before I hit a full take profit. But usually if I'm not in a trade, it goes really fast. Whatever, it is what it is. For me personally, I knew this day was coming. And actually, to be honest, I kind of needed it. I didn't get overconfident, take stupid trades. Took my trade, I got stopped out, but I was still right in my position, so teaches me a little humbleness. I think that's good for me. Maybe not for everybody, maybe people are in a not the best spot for that right now, but for me it's take it as a lesson. Yeah. Alright. That is it for me today, guys. Had a losing day. It is what it is. Can't always have a winner.